Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have a 2020 Toyota GR Supra. This is a brand new mold for 2021 for a brand new Toyota Supra that just came out. And this is painted in a bright white with a black aero kit on the bottom part of the vehicle. Very clean look to it, and there's not much graphics, just sponsor text on here. And the body kit is made by Pandem. It's a wide body kit for the Supra. So I'll open this up and let you guys take a closer look at this vehicle. Hey guys, before I open it, like I was telling you earlier, I wanted to show you guys what I found at the dealership. So this is a 2020 Toyota GR Supra, and right behind it is the real thing. So I just wanted to get a closer look for you guys to see what the real one looks like. And this one may not look exactly, I mean, it's the same color, and this one has a body kit, but this is the real one at the car dealership. So this one is without all the body kit and different things on it, but this is a Toyota Supra that just came out. So let's see if there's a price tag. Let's go through the back first and let you guys take a look at how it looks like. So it doesn't have the big spoiler like the one on the Hot Wheels. I mean, this has the Pandem body kit, so that's what's different. So this is just a normal Toyota Supra from the dealership. And let's see how much it is, because this one you can buy for $1, about $1 at any store. And then if you want to buy the real car in real life, let's see how much it is. So this is a GR Supra. Now this is a 2.0, which is actually this is a 2021 Toyota Supra. So this one has the new engine that's 4-cylinder, and they also have the 3.0, which is the 6-cylinder. So let's just see how much it is. It is $48,323. So if you want the real thing, that will be how much you pay. Or you can just pick up one of these for $1 at the store. So after this, I'm gonna open this up and let you guys take a closer look at the Hot Wheels. So here it is. And this is the real one, and this is the Hot Wheels one. So here is the Supra again out of the package. Wasn't it cool to see it alongside the real vehicle that I showed earlier? So here's a closer look at the vehicle. As you can see, there's the sponsors on the side of the door. So there's Grady, Race, Sparko, and I can't really tell what that, I think it was a GFP, I'm not sure what, it's really small text. And then KW, Hot Wheels, and Pandem. So Pandem is the maker of the body kit for this Supra and other body kits that they make for different vehicles. So this is actually a wide body kit. So in real life, the car will look really wide compared to the normal Supra. Here you can see the profile from the top. So it's pretty cool that it has all these name brand sponsors put it on the side. Really small text, which is cool. Just small graphics. I mean, that's all there is on here. The rest of it is just, it's just pretty much a white Supra. And here's a closer look at the front. So you can see the headlights are really detailed. It shows the multi LED lights for the Supra, and then also there's a Toyota emblem right in the middle. So it helps having this detail because then it would look kind of funny without the headlights painted on this vehicle, which I like that they did that. Let's see, coming around the top again, there is no graphics, or I mean, there's, you can see the roof bulge on this two sides, so really cool detail. And then here's the rear. So they didn't paint the taillights, which I'm disappointed. I wish they did to match the front headlights, because it would show how they look like in real life. Let's see if we can point at it. So that's where the tail lights are supposed to be. And you know, it would have been nice if they painted it. And maybe on the license plate they could have wrote like the Supra text, which would have been cool. So you can see the two exhausts on the bottom, and this center part right here where the black looks like a triangle almost, trapezoid, is actually the backup lights on the Supra in real life. So you can see that this wide body kit really makes the car super wide, and then they got that big spoiler on the back side of this car. Let's see what there is on the bottom. Not much to the bottom. Usually they do detail of the suspension or a little bit parts of the bottom of the engine, but this is just all smooth. I guess it's just to make it really racy, because some race cars actually have a smooth bottom. I'm not sure if this body kit does that to the bottom part, which maybe doesn't. It's just, I think the Hot Wheels just wanted to make it simple and clean. And it does help make it really low to the ground. And it really is smooth. I like the feel of this vehicle. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the black wheels. It really does match this vehicle. I like this paint scheme. I wonder what other colors they may do to this vehicle. I'm gonna guess maybe it would be cool if they do the black or the red. Or even blue. I would love blue. So let me know below in the comments, what other colors would you think is good for this vehicle? I mean, it looks really nice in hand. So here it is. The 2020 Toyota GR Supra. So remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.